Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today, we're in Punta Cana at the Bahia Principe Luxury Ambar. This is one of the freshly renovated rooms with a special treat outside. I don't want to spoil the surprise, but we're gonna head out there in just a few minutes. So this is a corner suite swim out room. So you basically have your own little pool. So I'll talk about the details of the room in just a second as we go through. So let's start the tour as we always do, just behind us here, looking at the door as we come in and into the washroom. Okay, so here's the washroom here. So this is like so nice compared to some of the rooms we've seen here. Definitely like upscale in the luxury department. So there's a big walk-in shower with a glass wall here. As you come in here, you can see there's a big rainfall luxurious shower. There's even like a small handheld shower to help you shower as well. So lots of space in here, very big shower. And then over here, you can see that they've got like a towel rack too. You can put your towel while you're showering. Over here, the vanity is a single vanity, but there's lots of space over here to put your things. There's a little makeup mirror to get ready with here. And then just down below, you're probably wondering if there's a hair dryer. So there's no hair dryer up here or on the other side, but they do have a hair dryer down here, just by the towels here. So just over here, they have some things that are included with the room. So if you need any new soaps, conditioners, body wash or lotion, you can have that restocked daily from housekeeping. So just over here is the toilet area, and there's a separate door for that. So the toilet's in here, so it's very private. So turning away from the bathroom onto the other side, as you enter into the door, there's a closet here. So obviously in the closet there's lots of storage. Ooh, did you see those lights come on? That was so nice. Lots of hangers for the clothing, 2 robes here as well to wear while you're in the room, and then a set of 2 pairs of slippers. We got an ironing board and then an umbrella behind there, and an extra blanket. And then in here, since this is a swim out room, you get some towels in here too that get restocked if you need some clean ones. Just below that there's a private safe, and then lots of storage in the closet here for your belongings. So yeah, can't wait to show you guys in here. This is gonna be so cool. But just to the right here, as you walk into the, before you walk into the living area, there's like a decorative plant up here, and we have our coffee bar, which is like a separate little coffee nook, let's call it. We got some extra storage down here too. And then in the coffee bar here, we have an ice bucket, some glasses, your coffee mugs, all the coffee fixings you need here, some extra water, and then a coffee maker. Down below here we have our little mini bar. So if we open up the refrigerator, we'll see that we've got some soft drinks, we've got some waters, there's even a couple bags of chips to snack on in your room. And then up here we got like a little mini bar with Presidente beer, and then a vodka, Dewar's whiskey, and then I think this is a Red Label. So you can make yourself a little drink in your room. And this mini bar gets restocked daily from the housekeeping staff. So then turning into the rest of the room here, I love this bed. This is so like fresh looking, the colors they used in here. So airy and open and almost beachy. So here we have some light switches that control some of the lights around the room. As you can see, there is a lot of lighting in the room here. There's even lighting like in this kind of recessed ceiling here. Just beside the bed, which is a king-size bed here in this room, we have a bedside table with good storage in the drawer and down below. And there's even some outlets and USB beside the bed to charge your devices. They even have a little reading lamp that if you pull this out from the wall, ooh, look at that. It's even like a different color too. And then like a nice wall art on the back headboard. Turning over here, there's a large mirror here that you can use to check yourself out when you're getting ready. And then in this big TV entertainment unit, we have some storage here. And I love then when the drawers in the hotel rooms glide so nicely. More storage here for your things, and then a big storage cabinet here for any of your belongings. There's a TV on the wall here as well, and then another outlet here for your things. Just over here beside the TV, we have like a luggage stand here. You can set your luggage while you're here. And then before we go into the living area, we'll take a look over here. We got the bedside table with lots of different things. We got the USB outlet, all the light switches to control around the room, which I'll let you guys experiment with when you come. There is a spot for the ceiling fan. as you can see up there. Now the fan is going to kind of move the air around the room. Air conditioning works really good in these rooms, so not to fear in some of the summer months. And then the same reading light here too. Oh, this one's a different color though. All right, and then moving this way, I have to share this with you here first. So here's a soaker tub here, and this is special for the corner rooms. So if you're in a corner room, you'll get this extra kind of soaker tub. And the other rooms you'll see that are kind of inside the hotels, not the end units, they'll have like a big wall right here instead of this little nook here. And I love the artwork on the wall and that stone tile on the back. Wow, just completes it for like this luxurious soaker tub experience. So cool. And then here's a living area. Awesome brand new furniture, great colors here to bring everything together. This painting on the wall, these little like end tables here too. Yeah, this is awesome. You can have a little meal here. You can just relax, sit and chat. This is my favorite room here at this complex, for sure so far. So there's a good shot of the room again. And now we're gonna head outside and see this little private tropical oasis. Take a look at this. So if we walk out here, you can see you got your own private loungers here. There's like some vegetation here for some privacy. And this pool goes all the way down here. So other guests who are in the walkout pool rooms will have access to this pool too. But yeah, this is so cool. Like, how luxurious is this that you have your own private swim-up pool? So there's also lawn chairs here with a table in case you want to sit down and have a little bite to eat, and a small table in between the loungers here as well. I'm just gonna get a feel of the water here to give you a sense of what the temperature is. Oh yeah, that's so nice. Wow. It's even a little bit like nicer than some of the pools too that we've been in throughout our time here. But yeah, this is a special feature here for the luxury Ambar guests. So with this, I'm gonna wrap up the tour here, but I really don't want to leave because it's so awesome, it's so luxurious, but we're gonna wrap it up here. And if you guys have any questions about this room here at Luxury Ambar, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.